Welcome back, guys, for everyone to we are day trading the Nifties. So Nifty just pulled back from 24,500 levels. So we saw a little pullback from here. So we're stuck in a range. So we'll see what happens. There's another put selling opportunity. Wait for that. There's another put selling opportunity. So just wait, guys. Don't rush it. So if you buy on the breakouts now, you might not even get the proper move to the upside. So the best is to wait for the pullback and take an entry. Still wait for a good entry. There's not much support here. So yeah, that's what I say. Just for a wait a couple of times. So even the pullback, yeah, one pullback is done. On the second pullback, it is testing again. So hey. So wait for some more time. So wait for some more time. Basically, now it is consolidating, so there's no entry at all now. It's consolidating. There's no entry for the option buyers right now. Basically, now it is consolidating, so there's no entry at all now. It's consolidating. There's no entry for the option buyers right now. Basically, now it is consolidating. So here you just have to play around 10, 20 move points, but there's no point on buying anything. But for the put seller, there's an entry. There's no entry at all now for any sort of option, buyers or sellers. Just a small pullback, and most likely this trend will expected to continue another downside. And if you see the market structure break down here, so what happens is after the market structure breakdown, price came down, and again it made a pullback, and in the higher time frame, the chances are so it's gonna go down. So on higher time frame, it's just called selling. So you can we'll see the OI, right? OI. You can see the OI, and it's literally there's a lot of calls selling at 2600. It's huge. The last 10 minutes, if you see the last full day, there's a these are all the highlighted one or the new call sellers. They're pretty new. So the problem with this is enough calls have been sold in 24 600 level, so it's very 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 difficult for the price to literally to go up from 2600 level. So any pullback towards the 2600 would be another option to sell a call itself or buy a put. So selling a put is one. I mean, you can keep waiting for some more time, but I don't know how's the premium. Let's look at the premium here. I don't want to see that. So if you're selling a triangle right now, so how much you're gonna get it? 6,000 rupees. That is so high premium, guys. It's still so high premium. I mean, that's really good premium to watch. Let's open some live music stuff. So we saw a little bit of pullback from this level. If you look at the higher time frame, around uh, higher time frame seems there's sort of a support zone, right? Yeah, it's really a support zone. So this was a long-term buy for a swing trading. So if you see 1 hour, it is trying to reverse from this zone. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3. The correction is over, and it's trying to reverse from this zone. But what might happen is, I mean, price might not break this level, 24,300 levels, right? That's what the plus point is, and that's what we are watching. Price might not break 24,350 levels. So there's some sort of buying is coming in this range in Nifty. So it's a very good opportunity for all the guys, and girls to enter into a trade around here. So if you look at, okay, it's a 5% correction, and we are seeing a very, very nice pullback. It's not a very bullish pullback, but the most likely even the double bottom in Nifty around here is also a very good entry, right? If the market double bottoms around this point, it is very nice, right? Yeah. Let's wait for what we got and see about it, right? The best possible chances I'm going to tell you guys. So, so what happens is market will reverse from this, and the second option is market is reverse from this. The third option is and if the circle is big, the probability is very high. If the circle is smaller, the probability is very, very less. So wherever you're seeing a circle, the price is expected to reverse from those zones. Those are the liquidity zones that I draw. So technically the market is very bearish right now, but if you're taking a positional trading, you can still take it, guys. So what I'm telling you is that market was bearish from day open, right? So these zones are not just, they're literally they are bearish zones. Whenever price hits there, the high chances that it's going to come down. So this is the playbook for Nifty today, guys. This is actually the playbook. So bearish. So we are looking at I mean, I'm gonna put a big arrow down, right? how do we increase the size? And so this is a plan for today's Nifty. So so whatever you're seeing in the below zone is a buy zone. And if you see this rectangle is a huge buy. So I'm gonna write a huge sort of support here. So this is very liquidity zone for the buy side, guys. So if the price has to move somewhere to the top and the price has to come down somewhere here, then only it can take to the upside. And people, if you don't know this, you can't make money into trading, right? So this is the so in this analysis, what are we going to tell is if if market has made bullish any sort of bullish move, then it's a sell on rise market. Whenever the prices will go up, it's a sell on rise. So there's nothing to watch in Nifty as of now. And so if you wanted to look at the other markets as well, we can literally do that, right? So we can look at Bitcoin and we can look at the other market as well. It's very interesting. So Bitcoin is going up like crazy. This is what I expected to come to this level and go up. Come to this fucking level and just go up, guys. And this is 109,000 level. And $109,000 is important support for the Bitcoin. So whenever the price hits that level, and it's very simple, it just has to go up. There's no other way. It's a lot of liquidity for the buy side, right? That's for the Bitcoin playbook today. So, so price is expected to go till here, guys. Till here, the price is expected to go. That's what I'm expecting, right? And if you look at this level, yeah, price has to touch this level, and that's what I'm expecting it in the 4 hour somewhere like that. So that's the playbook today. I'm holding Bitcoin from maybe around 2 days, guys. It's 2 days. So the arrow that you see on the below, that's where I bought Bitcoin. So as expected, Nifty is coming down, guys. There's nothing to worry. I mean, it's just like a sell on rise market on Nifty. So there's a small buying might happen somewhere here, but there's no move. You can just sell put. This is the playbook. This is how. The liquidity bubble that told you to sell. Is exactly the bubble that I'm. Very easy to make money like this, guys. Not difficult at all. Okay. So this is if you look at Nifty.